Here we go.
Look.
Little buds, say your bits. You've been fishing now for the weekend.
Yep.
Oh yeah, and we've got another one right now.
I know, Wes is playing another one now.
Oh, it's come off.
He's lost another. So how you feeling, guys, anyway? How's your weekend been?
Happy. Brill.
Huh?
This is fat.
Man's flapping again.
Pick it up, James.
So it's always flapping.
Pick it up, bud.
Man's flapping. Man's flapping.
Let's have a look at these fish now. Oh yeah.
Man's flapping again.
Come on.
I reckon this weighs about.
Well, they're only small caught really, but it's been a good do, hasn't it?
Yeah.
At least we've caught a few fish. Huh?
Yep.
Let's have a look at these fish now. Turn the fish around now, guys. Let's put up. Oh, look at you got headshot on Max's fish and got headshot coming on James's. Right.
Let's get back.
Let's have some thumbs up then. Put your fish down. Let's have some thumbs up.
Brill.
Right then, let's put the fish back in water now. Be careful with the fish because you need to. Careful. Put these fish back in now. Hang on, wait now. I'm coming over at the camera. Come on, guys, now. Max has put his back in. James. Bang on. Shake hands.
Brill.
Hang on, let's have a shake hands. Bang on, lads.
Well, nice.
See you later.
Back to more fishing.